Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today we are going to unbox and get this set up right here. This is the new Apple Airtag, and we're going to see what this thing can do. I've been a fan of using the tile to put on my key ring or my wallet or maybe even in my backpack. So I'm interested to see how Apple can compete with that, and I have a feeling that they're going to do a really good job because Apple usually does a good job, and it'll be in the whole Apple ecosystem. So let's go ahead and just unbox this and get this going. Okay, so I have been a fan of this device here. This is the Tile, and now AirTag has made something that's just like it, but it's going to be cohesive with all their other devices with that Apple ecosystem. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing and show you the comparison size and how to get it set up. Okay, so when you get everything out of the box, you get a couple booklets here, but I never read those things, so I'll just set those off to the side. But right here, it gives you the step-by-step process and how to do it. It says to update to the latest iOS on your phone or your device, turn on Bluetooth, then pull the tab on this device, on the AirTag here. After you pull the tag, it'll then just automatically start to connect here. It says to hold the device and follow the on-screen instructions. So let's see how that works. All right, popped it out here. Almost looks like a button of some sort. Oh, nice and shiny. That won't stay shiny for long. Okay, so before I pull the tab on this and activate it, I wanted to show you the difference in size between the Tile and the AirTag. So the AirTag is smaller, a little bit smaller on footprint size than the Tile. As far as thickness goes, looks like the AirTag might be a little bit thicker, but not by much. Okay, let's get this thing synced up with my phone. So we have it here. Let's go ahead and pull the tab. Okay, it made a little ringing sound, and it automatically is recognizing the AirTag right here on the phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on connect. Now it's giving me some suggestions on what to name the AirTag, like backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, or a custom name. So I'm going to be putting this thing on my wallet, so I'll go ahead and select wallet there. Okay, so now it's setting up. It says Juan's wallet, and it's getting everything all set up with your Apple ID account. Okay, so now once it gets it connected there, it automatically recognizes and shows on the screen where you are at. It shows your street, what city you're in, and everything. Alright, so now go ahead and click done. Okay, it's all set up now. I'm going to now install this thing on the AirTag leather keyring. Okay, let's unbox this one now. Okay, so the leather keyring is pretty much all it comes with. There was this little pamphlet here, but I never read these things. Alright, so it's got, I mean, it's pretty stiff when it comes straight out of the box there. It should be, since it is leather. It's got a button there, and then there's a thickness on your keyring. You'll take and unbutton it here, and then that's how you plug in, or how you slide your AirTag in there, like so. Fits perfectly in there, and then you just snap it, and there you go. Now it's ready to be put on my keyring. Okay, so now if you want to find this on your phone, to say you do lose your wallet or keys or wherever you put that thing in, what you want to do is you're going to want to go to your Find My app on your iPhone. And on the Find My app, there's these slots here on the bottom, but you'll click on items, and that's where you'll locate your AirTags. Devices is like your iPhones, your iPads, or your iMacs and stuff. People is if you're looking, or if you have people like your family set up on your account. But right there on that tag where it says items, that's where you'll locate your AirTag. Okay, well, hopefully this video was helpful to you in knowing a little bit more about the AirTag. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.